on point.
Now is my time to shine.
Hi there, artisans! Welcome!
I want to share with you some history about graphite pencil. Standard graphite pencil has always been made of graphite and not lead. Graphite pencil was developed and popularized in 1600s. So the first users of graphite found this mineral when they dug the hills and discovered it can be sawed into sticks, an excellent writing tool. So during the 1600s, no one knew what chemical material was inside the graphite. So due to the similarity in metallic lead and darker color, people simply called it black lead, which was the start of misidentification. In 1779, German chemist 𝐂𝐀𝐓𝐄𝐒 determined it was composed of pure carbon, and graphite pencils drawing and other forms are labeled with alphanumerical designation, and you can see them on top of the pencil. Distinguishing the hard is the lighter, and it is a refined lines, detailing, and writing. And going to the black, it is more softer, it's good in shadowing and values. So hard pencils create strong lines and details on paper, while softer pencils are passing only on the top of the paper, which is good in loose sketch before a painting process begins. So artists should be mindful of this, and if somehow you use HB or hard pencils as a lighter tool, you should use it in a lighter pressure. So that's it for today. See you again on the next art.
Shadows overnight, and after them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Plan of intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to me you send it a wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.